For a contract to be binding on a party, the party must be mentally competent to contract at the time of entering the agreement. In re Marriage of Davis, we explore the two tests commonly used to assess mental competency. After a 17-year marriage involving multiple instances of domestic abuse, Martin Davis filed for divorce from his wife, Maria Davis. Shortly thereafter, Maria was diagnosed with depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and battered woman syndrome. At a settlement conference to determine property division and custody of the couple's children, Maria expressed a desire to reconcile with Martin. Martin's announcement that he wanted to proceed with the divorce launched Maria onto an emotional roller coaster characterized by frequent bouts of hysterical crying. Against her attorney's advice, Maria signed a proposed stipulated judgment presented by Martin, telling her attorney to give Martin whatever he wanted so the proceeding would end. Among other things, the judgment awarded Martin all of the couple's Intel stock and their interest in a software company. Shortly after the settlement conference, Maria was hospitalized for psychiatric care and diagnosed as being in a dissociative state. An examining psychiatrist concluded that Maria wouldn't have been capable of rational decision-making during the settlement conference. Maria subsequently moved to set aside the stipulated judgment, arguing that she lacked the mental competency necessary for binding consent. Applying the cognitive test for mental competency, the trial court concluded that Maria was competent and denied her motion to set aside the stipulated judgment. Maria appealed to the Oregon Court of Appeals, arguing that the trial court should have used the affective test to assess competency.